Yvonne Griffin. I'm the personal injury attorney at Tucker Griffin Barnes in Charlottesville, Virginia. A lot of people don't know how to find a good attorney to handle their personal injury case. Well, I tell clients when they come in that you always want to shop around for an attorney. You don't want to hand or choose the first one, just like you wouldn't buy the first car you came across on a lot. Shop around until you get an attorney that makes you feel good, makes you feel comfortable. In fact, I also tell clients that hiring an attorney is kind of like buying a tomato. You want to feel around until you get the one that feels right. You don't want an attorney that's going to talk down to you. You don't want an attorney that is going to not answer your questions or make you feel uncomfortable. Sometimes the process of a personal injury case can be long and frustrating, and the last thing you want to do is go through something long and frustrating with an attorney that you don't feel like you can trust or that you don't feel like will answer your questions. Another thing that you may want to look at when you go and talk to attorneys is whether in fact you are talking to an attorney. Many places will have you speak only with a paralegal, and you will never get to meet the attorney unless your case happens to go to trial. Now, for some people, it's important to talk to the attorney. For other people, it's not. If it's something that's important for you, you want to be able to ask, are you the lawyer that will be handling my case? So you can make sure that you're not just going to have a paralegal that's going to follow your case through to its end. Another thing that I also tell people to think about when they're hiring an attorney is the attorney's demeanor. Sometimes an attorney that sits in her office may be the nicest sounding person that you've ever met. And you may think to yourself, I don't know if this attorney is going to be very aggressive for me in court. And sometimes you may sit in an attorney's office with an attorney that is just a bulldog sounding kind of a person. And you think to yourself, gee, I think this guy is going to be great for me in court. But sitting in an office talking to a potential client is a lot different than being in court. Sometimes the attorney that's soft-spoken and nice to you in her office might be the attorney that's going to be the greatest bulldog for you in court. And sometimes that attorney that's sitting at his desk being the big bulldog in his office may turn out to be not that great in court. So again, what you want to look at is credentials for an attorney. Get the attorney that feels right for you, and get the attorney that you think is going to make the best decision on your case. Don't feel pressured about hiring an attorney. You'll have time to do it as long as you stay within your statute of limitations. Thanks. I'm Yvonne Griffin with Tucker Griffin Barnes at Charlottesville, Virginia. If you have any questions, please call me at 434-973-7474 or go to our website at www.tgblaw.com. Thanks.